Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you about 2 watt meter method. It is an important topic of the measurement chapter. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Then I am going to start this video. To know the 2 watt meter method, first we have to know that what is Blundell theorem. Blundell theorem is for the measurement of powers across the n-phase balance system, n-1 wattmeter are required, and for n-phase unbalanced system, n wattmeter are required. In this definition, it is saying that suppose we have to measure power across a n-phase balance system. Here we have to see that it is n-phase balance system, then we have n-1 wattmeter are required. And for measurement of n-phase unbalanced system, we need n wattmeter. This is the Blundell theorem. Friends, I will tell you about three-phase system. Three-phase system can be of two types, balanced and unbalanced. Then we have known from the Blundell theorem, for unbalanced we need n wattmeter. It means for three-phase unbalanced system, 3 wattmeter, and for three-phase balance system, n-1 means 3 minus 1, 2 wattmeter are required. First we have to know that what is wattmeter. See, a 1 wattmeter contains one current coil and one potential coil. Potential coil, we can say it is a voltage coil. See here, the current coil is parallel to potential coil, and we have connected this point to mains. It is mains supply, and this part is connected to load. See, this is the wattmeter. This is connected to load. Here CC means current coil, that is this inductor, and PC means potential or voltage coil. We can say any of both. Then I am going to tell you about what is balanced power system. The balanced power system is combination of balanced load and balanced source. This is the condition for balanced power system. And from definition we can also see that it means having equal magnitude of voltage separated by proper phase shift, and having equal magnitude of load with separation of same phase difference. Here it is satisfying this condition: balanced load with proper phase difference and balanced source with same phase difference. One thing we should know that what is wattmeter. It is a device which measures the power of any system, and wattmeter power is equal to VI cos phi. This is the power. Friends, here we will study 4 types of method for connection of wattmeter. First is star connected lagging power factor. This is happening in inductive. And second is delta connected lagging power factor. It is also in inductive. And third is star connected leading power factor. It means it is capacitive. And delta connected leading power factor, it is also capacitive. See here, this is balanced load star connection. Then we have to know that what is phase voltage and what is line voltage. This is 2 point R and N. This is neutral point. We have to measure the potential between this. The voltage will be VRN, and similarly the voltage between point N and point Y will be VYN. And similarly we see the voltage between point B and N is called VVN. This is phase voltage. VRN, VYN and VVN. This is the phase voltage. And we can define the phase voltage by the potential between neutral point and any line is called phase voltage. In star connection, we should know that phase voltage is equal to VL by root 3. What is VL? VL is line voltage. This is line voltage and VPH is phase voltage. Here we will get the relation is VL is equal to root 3 VPH. And in star, the line current, there exists line current denoted by IL, and there is phase current. In star connection, line current and phase current are same. See here, because the current entering through this, we will say it IR, and we can say also IRN, and the current entering through here this is IY, and current entering through this is IB. Then here line current will be IR, IY, IB. Friends, here we will see star connection lagging power factor by 2 wattmeter method. It means we will need 2 wattmeter for 3-phase balance system. So this is wattmeter 1 and this is wattmeter 2. The current coil of this wattmeter is connected to point R and potential coil is connected to the point B. See here. And wattmeter 2 is current coil is connected to the point Y and potential coil is connected to point B. Then we will see for wattmeter 1, the current will be IR, this, and voltage will be VRB, because this is connected to this line and B line. Then voltage is VRB. Then what is power? Power 1 will be VRB IR cos theta. What is this theta? This theta is angle between VRB and IR. And for wattmeter 2, what will be current? Current will be, see here, current is IY, and voltage will be, see here, VYB. Then power from wattmeter 2 will be VYB IY dot cos theta 2. We will say theta 1, theta 2. Wattmeter 2, the power will be VYB dot IY dot cos theta 2. Theta 2 will be equal to angle between VYB Y.